Here we have the Oris Classic Date, fully boxed with all the paperwork. It's a beautiful little watch this is. It's got the, what I think they call it the Oris 733, but it's a Solita SW200 with Oris obviously finishing the movement off. So it's got the kind of little Oris flourishes, I'd say. Yeah, it's a nice dial. They've got nicely polished mixture of Arabic numerals and buttons. You've got date at 6, and then you've got this really nice finished dial. So you've got kind of a texture ring where the hour markers and the numerals are, and then you've got kind of a smoother but also textured inner section. So when you look carefully, with a decent level of magnification, you can see it. You've got a bit of superluminova on the hands as well, so it's helpful. So you can actually tell the time when it's a little bit darker. You've got really highly polished sides of the case, as you can see. You can kind of see me there. You've got a mixture of brushed and polished on the bracelet, almost a Jubilee bracelet, but not quite. And then a nice, again, really highly polished clasp. Nice little operation. So nice mechanism. It's a kind of quality you expect from Oris, but I suppose these even though these are their kind of lower end items, you still get the really nice finishing and nice quality. So we've got I mentioned the Solita SW 201, so it's 2800 vibrations per hour, 26 joules, 38 hour power reserve. I'll quickly put it on the timer, which hopefully is going to work. So you can see keeping almost perfect time. Yeah, so a really nice little watch this is.